Are you an executor or administrator of a probate in California trying to figure out how to sell a house during the probate process? Maybe you're asking, do I need court approval? How long will this take? What if the heirs don't agree with me? If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Now, this channel is brand new, but I'm not brand new to probate real estate. My name's Gary DeGrazia Jr., and I help families navigate probate real estate here in sunny California. And I've been doing this for over 20 years. And I'm carrying the torch passed to me by my father, who was the nationwide leader on probate real estate for 45 years. Unfortunately, he passed away a few years back. But here in my videos, when I say I know what you're going through, I mean it. I miss my dad every day. And he taught me everything, and he taught me well. I know this process inside and out. I understand that it's emotional for you. It's complicated. And a lot of the times, it's overwhelming. That's why I built this channel, to give executors and administrators and families like yours the clarity that they need to move forward confidently. On this channel, you'll find step-by-step guides to selling a probate home. Mistakes that you should avoid that cost time and money. Timelines, how long probate really takes, and real-world stories of how families successfully close their probate sale with my help and the solutions that I bring to the table. So whether you have full authority or limited authority, you'll find the answers that you're looking for right here on this channel. So here's what you want to do. You want to hit the subscribe button so you never miss one of my videos. You want to download my free probate real estate guidebook. It breaks down the difference between full and limited authority, and it gives you a roadmap that you can share with your family. The link is right here in the description. And when you're ready for extra guidance through your own probate sale, I would love to help you. There's a link to my calendar where you can book a consultation with me. No pressure, no obligation. So stick around this channel. We're going under the probate real estate hood, and I'm going to explain every moving part to you.